Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today our group will presenting about case study 2. So first of all, I will introduce my all groups member, which is Nur Azlina binti Abdul Aziz, Azia Robia binti Matno, Nur Shafika binti Samsudin, and Nur Liana Atira binti Muhammad Yusof. So I will continue with the case study 2. So the title is about Ministry want to retail war buy tobacco from Czech. A study have shown that whenever the price goes up, demand falls. So we have to take action as smoking is the health risk. The Star, 26 March 2006. It was reported that in a local newspaper that the health of ministry had proposed the minimum price for all cigarettes sold to check an ongoing retail price war between tobacco companies and to further discourage smoking. The price war had indirectly made cigarettes cheaper despite the annual duty increase as manufacturers were willing to cut prices and offer attractive packaging to lure the young in order to boost sales. Setting the minimum price will increase the price cigarettes. With the higher price, the ministry has also noticed that risk in smuggling and inflow in imitation cigarettes. So a minimum price for all brands were being mooted by Health Ministry. The government has also taken other efforts to guide the public health. Amongst other efforts undertaken by the government, it is completely all tobacco companies to register with the ministry so that their activity, including manufacturing, could be monitored. Other proposal is to ensure that packages carry graphic photograph of what smoking does to the body in order to frigate smokers and would-be smokers. This graphic image must be changed every 2 months. So, for the question number 1, what did the Health Ministry propose a minimal price for all cigarettes? So, the answer is it is because the Health Ministry want to further discourage smoking. The price war had indirectly made cigarettes cheaper despite the annual duty increase, as manufacturers were willing to cut prices and offer attractive packaging to lure their young order to boost sales. So for the question number 2, I will pass it for Azlina.
Okay. For the questions number 2, in the second paragraph, it was mentioned that the annual duty or tax on cigarettes has increased. Using a diagram, explain what will happen to the market price and the quantity of cigarettes, assuming the demand is constant. Based on the diagram, we can look at the diagram. The ministry had increased the annual tax on cigarettes, then the market price for cigarette will also increase. For example, the price for cigarettes increased from 6 ringgit to 8 ringgit. This causes traders have to reduce the quantity of output on cigarettes even though customer demand for cigarette is constant. So the supply on the cigarettes will increase from S0 to S1. You can look at the graph that I draw so you can understand. And in this price war, The Ministry of Health has raised the annual tax as they do not want to encourage high sales of cigarettes to customers, especially the young, so the health of the public will be guaranteed. So I will pass the question number 3 to uh, to the other members.
Okay, for the question number 3, beside imposing a minimum price, explain to other measures taken by government to discourage smoking. And first, government need to adopt a comprehensive approach to tobacco control. This should include a range of measures, notably a total ban on tobacco advertising and promotion. For the second answer is raise excise duties on tobacco products and increase enforcement to prevent illegal smuggling or duty-free cigarettes. This will help to ensure that cigarettes are not easily obtained by the majority of the populations. So I will pass question number 4 to the other member.
Okay, for the last question, question number 4. A study by the Health Ministry had shown that in 2005, the number of smokers had went up, especially amongst women. Using a diagram, explain the impact of this factor and the impact of an increased tax on the market cigarettes. Based on the graph above, in 2005, there will be a shortage in cigarettes market because of the increase of consumers. Increasing tax of cigarettes will reduce the number of demand as the price will be higher. Study has shown that increasing cigarettes price will reduce the consumption of cigarettes. Okay, I think that's all from us. Thank you.